I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to silence unknown callers on iPhone and send them straight to voicemail. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Apps. A list of all of the apps installed on your device is shown. Step 3. Tap Phone in this list. Step 4. Scroll down to the Calls section and then tap Silence Unknown Callers. Step 5. Tap to toggle on Silence Unknown Callers in this menu. All calls from unknown callers going forward will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and then displayed on the Recents list. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.